In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble your new Agri-Fab 25-gallon tow sprayer. To begin, place the sprayer assembly, Part 3, upside down on a protective surface. Then align the hitch triangle, Part 5, and fully secure it with 4 5/16 by 3/4 inch flange bolts, Part A, and 4 5/16 inch flange nuts, Part B. Next, insert the axle, Part 2. Now slide on a 5/8 by 1 inch axle spacer, Part F, followed by a 5/8 inch shim washer, Part E. Then slide on a wheel, Part 4, with the valve stem facing out. Next, slide on a 5/8 inch locking collar, Part D, and secure it with a 5/32 inch Allen wrench. Now repeat for the other side. Slide on a 5/8 by 1 inch axle spacer, Part F, followed by a 5/8 inch shim washer, Part E. Then slide on a wheel. Next, secure the 5/8 inch locking collar, Part D. Now, turn the sprayer onto its wheels. Then align the hitch clevis, Part G, and fully secure it with 2 5/16 by 3/4 inch flange bolts, Part A, and 2 5/16 inch flange nuts, Part B. Now insert the hitch pin, Part J, and secure it with a large bow tie clip, Part K. Now thread on 2 3/8 inch flange nuts, Part C, onto the spray boom assembly, Part 1, as seen. Next, slightly loosen the boom arm supports so that the arms can pivot. Align the assembly with the sprayer and then slide on 2 tank supports, Part H. Loosely secure the bottom with 2 3/8 inch flange nuts, Part C. Adjust the boom so the height of its spray tips are approximately 17 inches from the ground. Now align and fully secure the boom arm supports at the top. Then, fully secure the bottom. Now slide the boom supply hose onto the boom assembly. Caution, do not connect the sprayer to anything other than a 12-volt battery. Now connect the black ring terminal from the battery wire harness, Part I, to your power source's negative terminal. Then connect the red terminal to your power source's positive terminal. Now connect the switch wire harness, Part L, to the battery harness and route it to the sprayer. Then connect the switch harness to the pump. Then ensure the intake tube is near the bottom of the tank.